It's Cyber Monday. I wanted to stop by Mr. Price and see if we can't get a dress or two. But if we fail to do that, we'll get them online. So yeah, we're gonna put them and it's home time. After the day, this bag is burning on my face. But let's get going so that we don't miss the train if we're able to catch it. And on top of that, I don't have a ticket, we still have to purchase a ticket. So yeah, let's get going. Sam. Thank you. Madam. Hello, we're officially back home after that long walk to freedom. So we're just gonna have ourselves a good evening, unpack my bag, unwind, and hopefully try and prepare for tomorrow so that we're not rushing in the morning, since you saw that we had a long walk coming here. So it's gonna be a long walk going back since it has been raining heavily and most paths moving in between are flooded by the excess of water. But yeah, I had a good day today. Surprisingly, I had a good day. So I'm hoping to have a good day tomorrow. And it's officially, the countdown has officially begun from tomorrow. It's officially 7 days left until schools close and it's holiday season. So I'm excited about that. And I'm taking every day as it comes. And yeah, I hope you guys are also excited. Good morning. It is Tuesday, the 2nd of December. I'm trying to get my hair done. I was untangling it at home because my hair is natural. And then I want to go to the salon and get it washed and try to find a place where I can braid some cornrows. And if time permits, try to get either my toenails or my fingernails done. So yeah, that's what we're getting up to today. Oh God, please help me. Oh my God. Good morning. We made it to the other side. So today's Wednesday, it's the 3rd of December and I'm walking to work. And yesterday I couldn't get my nails done because the rain, it just started pouring. Why does my face look so puffy? Like, I look like I haven't slept. I'm tired. I have a tired look. I need to get onto that. So yeah, after work, I'm hoping to try and squeeze myself into a nail appointment, even though I didn't book. And you know, most of the time they don't have bookings. So I'm trying to look for something that I can just easily get into and try to look for dresses in the stores because I missed the online. Well,
Oh, nagere, what's nagere? Rabana wa challenge tuli otshwanela mara bushuri wa chetla ka mo so re nne mo bo re go go tshenne mo ya go re di otshwanela di ka mkhobele ngwana mara ke usa di tla decide wa chetla ka mo le re nne bena ka mo so go mmona wa ke bona ka re ka nna botse ka tla ka mo so that's go do botsa fela e le ba di tshika mo pleke ro.
hello. Can I please have a chicken pie? Next piece. After everything, let's get started with what we're here to do.
kumjwayele kumele wenzese ukuthi ukwenza khona vele.
Happy Monday! Today is the 8th of December. I know, but some things happen. I managed to get my nails done. This is outfit of the day, but now I'm still gonna go to the scale first. Yeah.
Kita mana mana? Hey, hurry! Oh, safari mana tu? Makan mana tu?